MBUSD, I am super excited to see you. We're kicking off into this new semester. I know you want to make sure this is the best semester ever. We're doing more than just making it through. We are going to turn this semester into whatever we want it to be. I don't have a lot of time with you amazing folks, and I appreciate the time that you are giving me. So we're going to jump straight into it. The first tool that we're going to get into is a tool that has saved my life many a times. You ever come into the kitchen, come into the office, you ever come into the break room and you just hear somebody go, ah, take one of those breaths, those sighs that you know they had a bad day and they're trying to make it better. We're going to tap into our breath to make sure we have a good day. We're going to get into this one powerful breathing technique that's going to help us relax, let it go, and step into that powerful place in our mind where we say, I got it. Everybody say, I got it. Yeah, we got it, MVUSD. Let's get it. I'm going to sit up nice and tall into my chair. If your feet are not hitting the ground, that's okay. Just let them swing. You're going to relax your shoulders, relax your back, relax your face. It's all right. Payday coming. Wiggle your fingers, drop on down, and we're going to take 3 deep breaths. Yep. We're going to breathe in through our nose and then out of your mouth. In through the nose and out of the mouth. On a count of 3, we start. 1, go ahead, relax the shoulders, relax the face. 2, in through the nose and out of the mouth. 3, everybody breathe in and exhale. Good. Relax your face. Breathe in all the way in through the nose, the throat, the chest, the belly. And then exhale. Last one, deep breath in. And exhale. Nice. Let that tingle. Let that relax. I hope we didn't breathe whatever we had for lunch all over everybody. And we're feeling nice and calm and settled. Now that we clear some things out in our mind and our body, it's time to move. Yeah, we're going to get some movement on. I know you probably got a belly full of lunch. Hopefully they gave you some kind of Panera or something really good. Did you get the vegan option? Whatever you did, we're going to move it around so we can get our energy up and get focused. We're going to start by combining the breath with the movement. Unless we combine the breath with the movement, it isn't what we're doing to be mindful of our movement. All right, we're not just wiggling around here. We're taking our mindful movement and we are creating a positive body and a positive mind. We're going to start by taking these heavy shoulders. Let's inhale. Ooh, that's tight right there. I'm going to roll my shoulders up. Woo, if you make a face like me, you're doing it right. Exhale, roll the shoulders back and down. Ooh, good shoulders roll. Breathe as we do it. Let's take 2 more. Roll your shoulders. You can move your head back and forth, left and right. Exhale, bring it down, then roll the shoulders forward. Scrunch up, squeeze up, scrunch, 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 scrunch. All that tightness rolls out, that big knot right there. Ooh, there it is. Breathe, and then exhale, roll back and down. Drop the head to the right. Ooh, that feels good, good, good. Breathe in, drop the head to the left. Bring the head to the left and to the right. Oh, that feels so good. Nice. Check it out, getting our blood flowing. We're going to inhale, bring our left hand up into the sky. As we bring our left hand up to the sky, we're going to wave it to the side, left and right, because we just don't care. We're going to party tonight. Oh, my bad, wrong conference, wrong state. But I know y'all party out there. We're going to bring that left hand over to the right side. Ooh, feel that stretch through our whole left side. Open it up, stretch, stretch, stretch. Breathing in for 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, slowly come up. Let's bring both hands up into the sky. And as we bring both hands up, we're going to give it a clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We could do better than that. Inhale, bring that right hand up into the sky. Reach up, stretch up. We're going to take it to the other side. Feel that stretch. Moving. We need to move our body. If we are stagnant, it creates a stink, really. Our sewer system in the body gets backed up unless we move. So we got to move, secreting out those negatives and making sure our body is feeling positive, clearing out the system. Inhale, let's bring both hands up on the count of three. We clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Reach up, stretch up the entire whole body. Pulls up, stretch up, stretch up. Breathe in. Then exhale, bring the hands down and into the heart just like this. Bring a big breath in. Inhale. And exhale. Drop the hands down to the side and everybody shake it out. Good, 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 good. Take that left leg, extend it out, stretch it out just like this. Left leg comes out. Ooh. Drop that left heel down. I'm going to lean forward. Maybe you bring your nose right there to your toes, that big toe. Bring it on down. Good. Feel that stretch there. Woo-hoo-hoo. Do y'all feel the stretch in the back of your leg just by doing this? Your lower back is loosening. Your hamstring is loosening. Taking that pressure off your back and your body. Breathe in. Stretch, 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 stretch. Good. Inhale, slowly roll up. Once again, breathe in and breathe out. Give yourself some space. If the table is there, don't lean into the table and bump your head. We need your brain to be right. Breathe in and breathe out. Ooh. Lean forward with the other foot, the other leg. You got it. Good stretch here. Feel better already. Let's come to a standing position real quick, if that works for your body. If it doesn't, stay in the chair. We're going to come into our full body stand here. Wiggle it out, move it out, whatever your body is asking for now as you stand. Bring one leg up, bring the other leg out, shake it out, shake it out. Good. Move the hips around if that works for you. Oh, good. Step it around, getting the body moving and grooving. Bringing our feet flat to the ground. Go ahead and lift your toes and then lift your heels. There we go. Find that balance. Bring your feet hip distance apart. Hips in line with the knees, in line with the ankles, align with the shoulders. Everything in a powerful alignment into our mountain pose. Throw your hands out like this. As I bring my palms towards you, yours towards me, my thumbs roll away from each other. The body opens up. Take a deep inhale here. Breathe in. And exhale. Good. Let's inhale. Bring both hands up into the sky. Reach up, stretch up. And then exhale. Bring the hands in. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Bring both hands up. On the count of three, we clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Take it to this side. Oh, feel that stretch there. Ooh. Inhale, come up. Exhale to the other side. Ooh. Inhale, come up. And as we exhale, we're going to lean back, stretch back, and pull the arms down as the chest comes up, and everybody say, yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Breathe in here. And exhale. I know we're feeling good. I know we're feeling great. This is what's going to lead into the best semester ever. Let's go. All right. Come on down, back to your seat. Relax. Roll those shoulders once again. Look over to your neighbor. Give him a high five. To your other neighbor, give him a high five and tell him, whew, I didn't have to do a downward dog, or a backflip, or a twisted 5,000. Yes, you made it through the physical part of this yoga practice. But yoga is not all about touching your toes or getting down and getting up or whatever. Yoga is all about having a calm and relaxed mind and body. So we go from yelling to yoga, and we do that transition by our mindfulness. I have 5 seconds, just 5 seconds. And within those 5 seconds, I want you to breathe with me. In this mindful practice, we're going to follow the breath. Your breath is the here, the now, the present. The breath calms you down. The breath doesn't make you feel anxious. The breath doesn't make you feel all over the place. The breath brings you to your chill, your relaxation, your focus. You're in the moment. So we're going to sit up nice and tall. Go ahead and find that soft, comfortable, relaxed, yet alert sitting position. Back is supported by the chair. The feet are relaxed. The shoulders relaxed. The breath is relaxed. The face softens. Go ahead and relax your face. If you want to, you can relax your eyes, close them. I promise I'll watch your stuff. I got you. Go ahead and relax your belly, and your back, your neck. Relax the legs. Inhale and exhale, and relax the jaw. Take a deep breath here and exhale. For 5, inhale. 4, calm. 3, relax the shoulders. 2, and 1. Breathe in and breathe out. Good, 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 good. I feel good. I feel ready for the semester, ready to serve you and your students at your schools, your campuses, and you at the district, wherever you are. I'm ready, and I hope you are too. Go ahead and follow this link here. I'll put the link here for you. This is our free 30 days of yoga, which is also going to give you access to our Calm campus. All right. So our 30 days yoga, I'll be here with you for the next 30 days, going through these practices so you can continue to do it, and letting you know how you can do those practices with your students on campus, with your staff, with whoever you're working with. So I thank you so much for your time and your energy. Make sure you follow this link to get more from me at Yoga Do for you in your calm. And as always, feel free to feel free, and namaste. Peace, peace. Thank you so much. I'll see y'all out there.